really excited to be sharing this with
Thank you, Mark.
tonight.
Appreciate that.
Rotate outward and pronate his arm. And what we should see on the screen here.
Thank
is
you,
what we
Mark.
saw.
And thank you, the team at Wisonic, Frank, for
So, when looking here,
gracious.
what you see right here, that is the ulna. This is the radial head or the radial tuberosity right here. And what we're looking for, and trying to prove.
Thank you so much, Mark and Frank. It's such an honor to again be a part of the Wisonic team.
Right. Thank you for having me today. That's a great introduction. There's some really stellar people.
So you can do an inline approach. So if you're going to have, you can go just inline with
Brian, we want to thank you for your great elbow presentation and the live scanning. That was the hit of it. We got a lot of comments about your scanning.
If not,
Yes.
then we'll have to maybe do another webinar on that.
Correct.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Really
guys.
excited to be sharing.
There's a description.
Thank you, Mark.
Introduction. There's some
Such an
really
honor
stellar people.
to again be
So
a
we're
part
going
of
to
the
get started
Wisonic team.
too.